Today here I am presenting an unboxing of Mi 3s Prime mobile. Well, I have ordered on this Diwali offer. Here you can see the price of mobile. Now we'll unboxing of it. Well, this we get a keychain free gift on Diwali occasions. Here you can see as a Redmi 3s dual SIM, dual standby. It is made in India. Here we have 3s Prime, and you can see it's a front camera is a 5 megapixel and rear camera is 13 megapixel. Here we have a fingerprint sensor, and this you can see it is a power on off button, and its total screen dimension is 5 inches. It is a 3.5 mm jack, and it supports loudspeaker facilities. Now let us on it. We'll keep stay on it. Now let us say inside the box. Here we get a charger, including a USB. Here we can see it is around 1 meter long. Well, the phone is in on mode now. We'll select language and take it as English United States. Now click on next. For example, you can take any state name. So I have taken it here, Algeria. करना है क्या? Here we can see the air blaster is provided in it, and the SIM tray is provided from outside. You can see here. Well, the mobile is ready to use, and here it is a Gorilla Glass, and its battery is 4100 mAh. Here we can see key is provided to take the SIM tray out. Here you can see the SIM tray is came out. Here it support 3 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM as internal memory, and it processor contain 1.4 GHz Octa-core, and it's 6.0.1 Android Marshmallow version. It's around 149 grams of weight. Well, thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button and subscribe our channel.